Unit 73, coursework 1 about transformers, motors and generators. So this is video 1, as I just said, and the question is, briefly explain where possible related to aircrafts the purpose of a current transformer and how it works. A current transformer is a type of transformer that multiplies or reduces an alternating current. The current in the secondary coil is proportional to the primary coil and the amount of turns in the coil. Aircraft often use them to regulate their electronics. A transformer rectifier unit, also known as a TRU, mainly is a combination of rectifiers and transformers. In the secondary coil, we see a large number of coil turns wrapped on a laminated core which contains a low loss of magnetic material. It has a large cross-section area, so we create a low magnetic flux density. The primary winding can consist of either single flux turns or a few coils of heavy-duty wire going around the core or wrapping around the core. This is similar, no, ignore that, okay? So now I'm going to do part B, which is the purpose of a transformer rectifier unit and how it works. TRU works by converting an alternating current into a direct current. A TRU operates by transforming electrical energy that originates in one circuit into another source via conductors that are individually coupled. They are used in aircrafts as engines push out AC current, and they use TRUs to convert this into DC, so many things, the instruments work on the aircraft. TRUs work in similar ways to bridge wave rectifiers, which I'll now explain. So, I'm not sure whether you know what this is. It's a bridge wave rectifier. And so you see here you have your alternating current. So this has the same concept behind it, does the same job. So you have your alternating current just here. So it can go in either direction, yeah? So it goes out here, boom. And you see how you have these 4 diodes. They restrict it so it can only go in one direction. So up, has to go there because it can't go that way, it must go that way, yeah? And it goes into your DC supply. If you get that. Same thing, it goes that way, must always go in there. If I, for example, though, it comes out, it must go up, it always go straight back in. That's the only way it can work. It will not work the other way because of these diodes. So that basically is how a transformer rectifier unit works. Without there's actually a bridge wave rectifier, but it has the same concept and things behind it.